Just got the Unbelieva-Brow, and the way the packaging is, when I got it, I didn't realize it actually came with another little thing here, a wand and a brush. I got the brunette color. I do have really dark eyebrows, and I was kind of debating between dark brunette and brunette, but I went for just brunette. This is what the applicator looks like. And your first step is just to kind of go around your brows and kind of just paint around them. So watch this. Even though it's like a lighter color, I feel like it blends really, really well, whether your eyebrows are lighter or darker. Okay, so I got a little bit there. I'm gonna use my finger, but we're also gonna go around with that brush. So I'll do another dip. I'm really impressed with this. It's so easy to use, and it just gives your brows that great fullness, and it keeps them staying in place. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, you transfer. Okay, so you can use this to kind of dip it, or you can just go over what you've already done. I'm gonna go ahead and go like that. And then we're gonna use that curved side to really shape it how we wanna shape it. And then we'll be blending. Look at that. Just that difference already is so remarkable. I'm left-handed, so I do have to cross over my face here. That looks so good. This is amazing. I'm really impressed. Okay, then you use this side and you're just brushing it into place. It's also kind of blending everything. So brush and blend. You can always do another coat if you want to. This could be just like your first level, then you could go do it again, get it thicker. You don't have to do this part of it if you don't want to. That's it. Such a great brow gel.